The structured outputs lesson showed you the what. Ask a model for JSON that matches a schema. This is the how, and it is far more clever than most people realize. When an API promises valid JSON every single time, it is not trusting the model to behave. It is making invalid output literally impossible, right at the moment the next token is chosen. Start with why the naive approach fails. You ask, respond in JSONs, and most of the time the model complies. But most of the time is a production nightmare. One stray token and your parser throws a Python-style capital T true instead of true, a trailing comma, a missing quote. One slip and the whole response is garbage. Prompting is a hope. Constraining is a guarantee. Here is the mechanism. At every decode step, a grammar knows exactly which tokens are legal given everything emitted so far. That grammar is usually a finite state machine compiled straight from your JSON schema. It tracks where you are in the structure. And before the model samples, it masks every illegal token, sets its probability to negative infinity. The model cannot pick a token that would break the structure because for this step that token effectively does not exist. Watch one decisive moment. The model is at a value position and its favorite token is capital T true. In Python, that is a perfectly normal word. In JSON, it is illegal. The grammar masks it to nothing. So the next best legal token, lowercase true, wins instead. No retry, no parser error, valid by construction. Step back and see the full loop. The model produces logits over the whole vocabulary. The state machine, given the tokens so far, returns the set of legal next tokens. Everything else gets negative infinity. You sample from what survives, advance the machine by the token you chose, and repeat. Every step, the structure holds. And the grammar does not have to be JSON. It can be a regular expression. Or a full context-free grammar for SQL, a programming language, your own custom format. Anything you can write as a grammar, you can force. Now the obvious worry, recomputing the legal set every single step sounds brutally slow. In 2026, that worry is gone. Engines like XGrammar and logit's precompute and cache the masks, roughly 100 times faster than the naive way, near zero overhead. And they ship right inside vLLM and TensorRT-LLM. So constrained decoding is no longer a trade-off. It is essentially free and it is what powers the JSON mode in your API. The rule of thumb. The moment a machine reads your model's output, tool arguments, agent actions, data extraction, guarantee the structure.